Congratulations on deciding to outsource and find a social media manager to manage your Facebook page. This is going to save you so much time so that you can focus on your business and hopefully making more money and connecting with your clients. So these are the things that you must do in advance before your social media manager can take full authority or part authority based on what you want to give them to manage your page. So as you can see, we're on our Facebook page. This needs to be done via desktop. This is where all the features are. So what you want to do, just above your cover video or cover image, you go and click on settings. On the left hand side you will see where it says page roles, and this is where you want to assign the role that you want to give your social media manager. If you've hired someone to manage your page the same way you used to manage your page, you will need to give them the admin role. So if you go down to assign a new page role, you will have the information on what each role consists of. So if you click on this button, you can see admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst, and live contributor. To be a live contributor, they also need to have a different role as well. But go through and scroll through which authority or things that you would like them to be able to do. So for your social media manager, they do need to have the admin role. So when you click on these roles, what it will show you is the authority that they will have. It says, if you're adding a new admin to your page, please keep in mind that they will have the same permission as you do to make changes to your page. And then there's more information at the bottom. So to add your social media manager, what you want to do is then type in their name. They don't necessarily have to be friends of yours, but if they've got a unique name or very popular name, it's important to make sure that the profile picture beside the name connects with the person that you've hired to manage your page. If you can't find them, maybe because they've got really high settings, you need to contact them and ask them if they can give you the email address that they initially signed up with on Facebook. So this will be via their personal profile. You won't be adding them via their page, it'll be via their personal profile. So all you need to do is just start typing their name and have a look. So this is why it's best to have their full details. And just make sure that they're the right person. Obviously this is already me, but let's say we're trying to look for, and then you've got a lot of these similar names. If you're unsure, if the pictures don't match, be careful of who you add and just go and ask them to send you their email address. And that's how you assign them. Once you've assigned them, what you will see a full list of people that have roles in your page, on your page. So existing page roles. So you should be at the top as admin. And if you've got social media manager, there will be another admin. You'd have two admins. And then I always recommend to have a third person that's either a friend or family member who has a role. The reason why you do that is if you ever get locked out or hacked your page, your personal profile, you won't have access. But if someone else is in the family that has access, you can still kind of get in and do what you need to do. So that's definitely recommended. But that is all you need to do to assign your new social media manager so that they can start running your Facebook page for you.